for those publishers running under Monetize More's ad exchange account, either our USD or Canadian account, this is how we set up ad exchange for them. On DB admin, under account and user, that's what you see by default. You search for the publisher's email. So for now, we're going to use my email just to demonstrate how it's done. So we're going to search. Let's say this is the publisher's email, hypothetically. Then edit. Now for the roles, I'm just going to remove the admin role in there. If this is the publisher, you will have to assign a role ADX_publisher. If this is a premium publisher or a header bidding publisher, then you have to add M2D publisher regular. Those are the two roles that you will need to add. Now, for the Google account ID, you just select either USD, Canadian, or Euro. This one is the European account we have. I don't think a lot of publishers are running that, so most likely you will be choosing between USD or Canadian. So if the publisher is running under the Canadian account, choose CA. Now, next thing is for you to add the relevant filters so we can isolate the stats for this publisher alone. So when they log in to pubguru.com, the only stats they will see is based on the filters you set up here. So let's say, for example, I want this publisher here to only see the stats for WuxiaWorld.com under Canadian account. There you go. So this is the network partner name on our Canadian account. If in case you don't see the network partner or any other filters here that you need from the drop down, then you will have to click here to update cache. And then you have, once the page refreshes, you can expect that it should show up there from one of the choices. Okay, and then next is assign the publisher. So I'm going to search that right there. And if there are any other relevant or applicable filters for this publisher, like for example, we have channels set up for him, or if you want ADX or Pubguru dashboard to show or break down the report by channel, you can also have that added in here. So let's say like that and like that. So when they log into Pubguru dashboard, they will be able to see the stats between these channels as well. So again, you only do this if applicable. And then once you're done implementing all the filters you have here, you go ahead and save it. Okay, now let me show you how it looks like on pubguru.com. So the publisher is here. It shows up here. So this is the publisher I assigned for this email address. Now, when you go to reports, you will see ADX reports. Okay, and then you're gonna see the stats right here. You can search for or try to set the dates in order to double check accuracy. So let's say I want to check January 22nd, and here for the currency, I would use the default one, which is Canadian. And I'm going to the reporting sheet and check. So 52423, 52423. Perfect. I'm going to check impressions as well. There's a slight difference. And the rest, I'll go ahead and log in or run the report on DFP for this and check if they're also accurate. And that's it. You can also check other dates, at least 3 different dates, I would say, just to make sure they are all showing the right numbers. So 57697, perfect. And yeah, impressions, a slight difference as well. There you go. So bottom line is, that's basically how we set up publishers ad exchange report for Pubguru when they are running under Monetize More account.